Today, I'm going to create this extravagant, dramatic bold party makeup look. I'm recording this makeup look while standing today. Since it's already late in the evening, I'm worried I might not finish recording, so let's speed up a bit. Later, I'll also film a tutorial on how to apply double eyelid tape. I noticed that many people are interested in this topic. Recently, I switched back to using these large beauty blenders, and they absorb product really fast. Blending out the concealer. Applying liquid contour on the back of my hand, picking up a little bit, and stamping it onto my face. Stamping like this, I've realized that as long as you don't drag it, it won't mess up the base makeup. Adding some shading under the eyes. Deepening the contour a bit. Refining the outer face shape and blending precisely. Applying highlighter, a horizontal swipe, inner eye corners. Blending out the highlight on my forehead and brow bone with a clean side of the sponge. Setting the eyes first. Using a neutral toned base eyeshadow all over the eyelid and lower lash line. Focusing on layering the color at the inner and outer corners for depth. This creates dimension. Using a smaller brush to apply this reddish-brown shade to deepen the inner eye corners. Avoiding the center and darkening the outer corner. Applying the same technique on the lower lash line, leaving the middle section clear. Adding depth under the eye bags for a natural shadow effect. Using this bronze shimmer shade, starting from the middle and blending outward. Also brightening the center of the lower lash line. Using this cooler toned gold from the Pat McGrath palette in the center. Keeping the highlight area small before applying eyeliner. Curling the lashes first. Using black eyeliner to fill in and slightly lift the outer corners while keeping my eyes open. Applying eyeliner along the lower lash line near the lash roots. For upper lashes, I'll be using this style today. Applying glue to the inner side of the lash band and placing it along the lash line. Lifting the outer corners slightly. For lower lashes, using a wispy, winged out style. Adding 4 clusters in total. Gently pulling them downward to elongate the eyes. Blending lashes using an orange-brown shadow to match the eye makeup. Sketching the basic brow shape first. Using an eyebrow pencil to fill in sparse areas. Drawing each hair strand in the natural growth direction. For the brow tail, following the natural downward flow. Deepening certain areas for definition. When you frown, a natural shadow appears here. This gives the brows a sharper look. Switching to these natural-looking contact lenses. Now the makeup looks more harmonious. But I feel like the outer eye makeup isn't dramatic enough. Darkening the outer corner and extending it slightly. Adding more individual lashes to fill in gaps.
Sweeping blush across the sides of my cheeks. Also adding a touch to the forehead. Highlighting the nose tip and Cupid's bow. Applying shimmer for extra glow. Drawing a small C shape for highlighting. Applying it here. Adding beauty marks. Placing one here. This instantly makes my nose look higher. Adding a tear mole. Using a brown lip liner to adjust my lip shape. Finishing with a clear lip gloss.